Hello guys, this is Hassan from HDFX, and today I want to talk about a little bit of Euro US dollar, which is everyone's favorite pair, I guess. So, what's the price has been doing lately? Well, it turns out that um, lately we have this pattern that's formed here that looks like it can be traded. This pattern, what I will call a double combination, has been formed. I don't have any clue as of now what it is on the bigger degree, but let's see that what we can do with it, okay? So it does look like that something has ended here, started, ended here, also started a new wave here, and this new wave made a new low and ended somewhere here, okay? But I will put this here for a different reason now, and I will show you. Now, let's say that we have a wave A here, because it does look like a beautiful zigzag pattern. A B and a C. Now, how do they understand the zigzag? Well, again, from the B wave retracement level. Now, I will show you guys again. For the guys who didn't watch my videos before, I will do this Fibonacci retracement from the start to the end of A to understand where B wave is. As you can see, B wave here, the moment of truth for us is 618. As you can see, B wave didn't come to 618. It means that this correction can only be a zigzag. Okay. Now that we understood we are in a zigzag, we can get rid of this. Okay, and now we have an A, B, and C. After this A, B, and C, what we should do is simply to draw 0 to B trend line. And why we do that? Because the price action after the C wave has ended has to come to 0 and break to 0 to B trend line and go all the way to the B wave in order for us to say that this ABC was a simple correction, and then we can end the wave on a bigger degree, such as, let's say, just as an example, wave A. Can I put wave here? No, I cannot. Why? Because the price has come. Yes, it did break the 0 to B trend line, but it didn't come all the way towards B wave. So what I what I will do now is label this is a wave X, because this wave will intervening wave, and it will bind this zigzag and what it looks like a triangle formation. Now after this X, what do we have? Well, it looks like we have some type of triangle formation. It does look to me like this: A, B, C, and a D, and an E wave. Now what we should do now is we should uh, connect the B to D trend line and also ANC or CNE or ANE. In this case, it does look like CNE. Now, as you can see, now I can say this wave in a bigger degree has ended here. Now, can it be wave A, something else? I have no idea as of now. But let's go a little bit more to understand. Now that we have this pattern here on a lower degree, I wanna go one even lower time frame to understand what can start from here to here. So I will go H4. Let's do it a little bit better job with this. So A, our wave C, our wave E should be here. Let's do it like this. Here, as you can see, triangle broken, retested. Now it's going up. Now look, let's try to focus on this last move up. Okay, so let's move up. If we did know actually, if we are really on a wave A, and now that we are on a wave B, it would be a little bit better. But now that, because we don't know, let's just put it like this and put it on the right side, so we will still try to evaluate what's the situation is for us. Now I know most will just say this is 1, yes, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5, which I don't blame anyone, it's not a problem. But look, in the method that I am using is a little bit different, because there are some rules for impulsive waves. Look, if this was an impulsive wave, then we needed one wave that is extended from the second largest leg of such a second largest wave. So in that case, what we should do is look at the length of wave 1. This is the length of wave 1. This is the length of wave 3, wave 5. Which one is bigger? And let's just, for an example's sake, let's take the length of wave 3 too. Okay. So, which one is the second biggest? This one, yes? So, we take this one, fifth wave. What do we do? We take 161.8 out of it. Sorry. We take 161.8 out of it. And look, let's compare it with the third wave. Look, as you can see, this wave needed to be bigger. Now that is a problem. Why it is a problem? Well, this is not there. If you put wave 3 here, maybe, then maybe yes. But it is your risk, so you should think about it. I personally would I put it here? Maybe. Let's try to do both. Okay? Let's try to do both. So let's say that we put wave 3 here. Now, and because this is not long enough, what should I do? Well, let's think out loud. Because that we don't have this as an impulsive wave, what we do is this. Take this out too. First option that you can have, we try to put wave 3 here. If you think that this price action is impulsive. If you are not so sure, you can still put it here and wait for market to come to you. So look, then it means that we will have a somewhere in the fourth wave here, yes? Now look, then what I will do is I will do 2 to 4 trend line. But 2 to 4 trend line, if for example this fourth wave cannot be here, it is the maximum place, because look, if it's like this, it penetrates by the this third wave penetrates it, so this fourth wave cannot be here, so fourth wave has to be something like more. Anything more than this is fine, so it can be here, it can be here. This you should do when the fourth wave is done. You should redraw this again. Okay, so let's say for example's sake fourth wave will done here, and then we will have a fifth wave. Now, because we don't know if we are in a wave A or B or C, whatever, we don't have any idea, we should always write down the possibilities. Well, one possibility, if this is an impulse wave like this, what we should do is, now that because we are on this degree and we did 1 degree lower, it means that whatever started here can be a C wave or some type of a C wave, first wave or third wave or a fifth wave. Or if you are in a zigzag, wave A. Okay, look, I've written all the possibilities. These are one of the possibilities. Also, what it can be other possibility? Well, now we are let's say that we are like going to be, this all can be 1 degree lower. Let's say in this yellow, so we have 1, we have 2, we have a 3 here, we will have a 4 here, we will have a 5 here, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can also finish Well, it can also finish at first wave A of something, or it will be the wave 1. True. Now that we know that this will be only wave 1, it means that we will have wave 2, 3, 4, 5. But we are now in a lower degree. It means that now whatever this ABC, it will be, when it will be done, it will be on this degree. I hope this makes sense because it's very important to understand this. If you have a little bit trouble understanding this, make sure that you go back a little bit and listen to me again, okay? Now, these are the possibilities on this idea. Of course, let's go back. Let's get rid of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what if third wave is here, fourth wave is here, and we did draw this fifth wave? Now that this fifth wave is breaking 2 to 4 trend line in good time, in due time, which is good, what you should do? Well, what I would do, it means that something of one part is ended here. It means that this still be actually, if it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means that we are either like this, or like I said, it will be 1 degree lower. But if this is impulsive wave is finished, it means that if we are, for example, finished one of them, we will still need some type of retracement. So in this market, in this idea, is still we need a little bit more confirmation before you can trade anything. Okay, this is not a perfect place to trade. We need to see a little bit more. For example, if this was a wave A of a zigzag, yes, and we are going for a wave B, what I would do is take the time. Let's see this wave B, and try to trade waves 2. If it was wave 1, I would try to understand. If it's wave 1, I would wait for wave 2. And what I would do, I would take 161.8 and project it up from the wave 2 I would buy. If, what if this is not an impulsive wave? Well, let's try to figure it out. Now, if this is a not impulsive wave, what it can be? Well, if it's not impulsive, it has to be something of a zigzag family, okay? So I will take my degree here. What I would say is maybe wave A here, wave A here, maybe something like wave B, wave C, and an X wave, and another wave A here. Now look, if what I would do now is still wait for a wave B. This wave B, if it is another zigzag, okay, if it's another zigzag like A, B, C, X, A, B, C, like this, I would use the channeling rules to see if this actually works, okay? Also, I would like to see this time again, again and again, the same idea. If it's like really zigzag. If it this wave A comes down more, let's say that let's go like this, horizontal ray here, where it's wave supposedly wave A ended here. Yes, what I would do, let's get rid of this. What I would do is drop the fib and let's see how the market is going. If it's coming like this, I would, if it's coming more than this, then I would say to myself, okay, after this zigzag and X wave, we didn't start another zigzag. So the double zigzag or triple zigzag idea is off the table. Okay, now I would wait if we are doing maybe a flat like this and go then move down from there. if it's maybe ended here, it will be do triangle, maybe it will still go down. Or if we will make a triple combination and make another X wave and go one more higher and then go down. So look, you have all these possibilities for your ideas. uh, for the theory gives you all these possibilities, understand? Try to use all of them. Just don't go blindly, okay? Because it is a little bit hard to understand this if this the wave that you're looking is really impulsive or no, understand? For me, this doesn't look like an impulsive wave, but if it is, I just showed to you how to look for it. And if it's not, you should still know what to do with it. So today we have ECB also, so I would just stay away from it until this ECB happens, and let's see what kind of price action we will get from ECB, then move accordingly. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.